Final steps: understanding a common English phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, final steps. This is a common phrase in English, and understanding it can really help in everyday conversations and in professional settings. The phrase, final steps, refers to the last actions or stages in a process or journey. It implies that you're close to completing something, whether it's a project, a trip, or even a personal goal. These steps are crucial as they lead to the completion or final result of what you have been working towards. Let's look at some examples to understand how final steps can be used. In a project, we are in the final steps of the construction project. Just a few more tasks to complete. In a journey, after months of traveling, we're taking our final steps towards home. In learning, you've mastered most of the course. Now, you're at the final steps of your learning journey. Final steps can be synonymous with phrases like last leg, home stretch, or final stages. These phrases also convey the idea of being near the end of a process. Understanding these similar phrases can help you enrich your vocabulary and express the same idea in different ways. Use final steps when you want to emphasize that the end of a process is near. Combine it with descriptive words to give more detail, like final few steps or final crucial steps. Remember, it's a versatile phrase, applicable in various scenarios from casual to formal. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, final steps, and how you can use it effectively in your daily English. Remember, mastering such phrases can make your communication clearer and more precise. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.